Hello children, we are learning tenses. We have learned simple present tense, simple past tense. Now we'll learn simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. आगे आने वाले समय में जो काम होंगे, that is future tense. Read these sentences. It will rain tomorrow. In future tense, we use the word tomorrow. When I grow up, I'll become a pilot. The verbs in these sentences tell us about a time in the future. Study this table to understand the use of the simple future tense. I shall, will call. Plural, we shall, will call. In future tense, we use shall or will helping verb. You will call, you will call. He, she, it will call, they'll call. Now do exercise. Let's do exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. The bus leave at 4:45 p.m. We have to use simple future tense. The bus will leave. I will meet my friend at the mall on Sunday. संडे आने वाला संडे को मैं अपने फ्रेंड से मिलूंगी. The school will start at 8 a.m. The forecast says that it will snow tomorrow. Forecast, weather forecast. You must know. I'll send you all the information as soon as I get it. Number 6. Girish will get his result in 2 days. Number 7. Someday I'll write a novel. Novel is a very big storybook. Number 8. I'll go to the doctor tomorrow. Exercise B. Mohit asks a fortune teller about his future. Fortune teller who tells about the future. This is what she tells him. Mohit, you will study well and do well for yourself. This is the things the fortune teller is telling to Mohit. Your friends will be proud of you because you will become a professor in a big university. You will be very happy. You will earn a lot of praise. You will buy a beautiful cottage. You and your wife will travel around the world. Your students and friends will praise you for your good work. Your family will be proud of you. Children, we use will when we want to express a future wish or intent. Okay? I'll go to the book fair tomorrow evening. And we use will not or won't to express a future wish or intent to not to do something. I will not go to the book fair tomorrow evening, or I won't go to the book fair tomorrow evening. Here are a few more ways in which we can use will and won't. Let's do exercise C. I will climb the mountain and get the apples. I won't burst crackers because they create smoke. Will not की short form won't होती है. Won't he come with us? This is the question of future tense. You will get a new dress tomorrow. I won't go to Jaipur this time. I'll go to Jaisalmer instead. जयपुर के बजाय मैं जैसलमेर जाऊंगी. Will you be at home this afternoon? Janvi won't go to school tomorrow. She is ill. I won't buy clothes this year on my birthday. I want Dad to give the money to the poor children. So, revise these sentences, these exercises of simple future tense, children. That's all for this video. Thank you.